Hey everybody, so here I am once again in the middle of a repair. This is our actual iMac, it's 2010 model iMac. Everything was working fine, and then the GPU decided to spack out. And so I'm in the middle of pulling it apart. There's the hard drive there. Here's the motherboard and graphics card and cooling system there. So I'm about to pull this little fella apart here so I can heat up the GPU to 217 degrees Celsius and then install back in here, and hopefully she will be running fine. Alright, have a great day everyone.